for the very first time, Nagaland will be participating in Miss Universe India. We will also be officially launching Miss Universe Nagaland India on the day of the audition. The details will be given by our president, Mr. Meli Pujo. First of all, let me take you through of what Glamanon Entertainment Private Limited is, who has obtained the rights of Miss Universe India. Glamanon Entertainment Private Limited was founded in 2015 by Mr. Nikhil Anand, who is also the chairman of the group, with its headquarters in New Delhi. And this year, in the month of February, Glamanon obtained the right for Miss Universe for India. And to announce its expansion strategy and discover talents across the nation through a state-wise format, Miss Universe India is appointing state directors from all the states of India by associating with state pageants, who can directly conduct pageants in their respective state under the banner of Miss Universe India. And we are very pleased to announce that BSN have bought the franchise for the state of Nagaland, and our BSN president, Mr. Meli Pujo, has been appointed as the state director. Well, Glamanon, the company believes that this initiative will allow pageant aspirants to secure a place at the national finale of Miss Universe India and also represent their respective state in front of not just India but entire world, as Miss Universe is the highest followed pageant across the world with 6.1 million followers on Instagram. One of the reasons that Miss Universe India team decided to switch the state pageant format by bringing the state pageant to your doorstep was because over the last few years, since we have been in business, since Glamanon has been in business, they have noticed that many aspiring candidates who wish to participate and give auditions are not able to do so, was because either they didn't get permission from their family to travel all the way to the nearest state where auditions are being held, or they didn't have the financial support to finance their travel. Glamanon is also the parent company to few of the biggest national and international beauty pageants headed by the chairman, Mr. Nikhil Anand, and the group is one of the world's biggest beauty pageant organization, owning various reputed beauty pageants and its network over 70 countries. Glamanon also owns the following national beauty pageants: Glamanon Supermodel India, Miss Teen Diva, Mrs. India, Mr. India Universe, and the international beauty pageant that Glamanon owns are Miss Multinational, Miss Teen International, Miss Teen Earth, Miss Teen Grand International, and Mr. Universe. Lastly, Glamanon stands as India's premier national pageant, serving as a key platform to select representatives for prestigious international pageants such as the Miss Universe, Miss Grand International, Miss Asia Pacific, Miss Multinational, Miss Charm, Miss Cosmo International, besides others.
Mentioned, we are here to talk about, the Miss Universe Nagaland, which, our BSN has got the rights from this year itself, and I'm very privileged to be appointed as the state director for the Miss India, Miss Universe Nagaland as well. We will be having, the audition for this year to select our Miss Universe Nagaland. Since the national pageant for Miss Universe will be held in the month of August, and the international pageant will be held in the month of October and November. For this year, we will be going ahead, with an audition. We have already set aside July 2nd as the audition date. It will be held in Netu Resort in Dimapur. More details will be given in the days to come as well. And from next year, we are targeting, our Miss Nagaland winner to directly go and represent our state in Miss Universe. This year, like I said, since our Miss Nagaland pageant is only in the month of December, we want to be conducting an audition for this year. But from next year, we will be sending our Miss Nagaland to represent the state directly from Miss Universe pageant here. BSN has come a long way, as you all know. We are already 32 years old now, and in the last few years, we have made a lot of progress. And I should also mention that last year as well, one of our Miss Nagaland runner-up, Kenny, won the Miss Northeast title. And now we are progressing, to give more opportunities, to our girls, especially our girls from Nagaland. That's why we are coming, with a lot of opportunities when it comes to Northeast pageant, at the same time national and international pageant as well. So it's very exciting to be able to announce today that, Nagaland will also be sending a candidate directly to represent our state for Miss Universe pageant from this year onwards. So the audition will be on July 2nd, and I think after the press conference today, we'll be allowing entries to come directly to us. And we will also be bringing, a former winner of GLAN. It can be it can be Asia Pacific India winner, or one of the winner of Miss Grand India or Miss Grand International, who will be coming with one of the representatives from the organizers to be in the panel of judges when we do the audition as well.